Oh hey, let's talk about how you manage your gear.
We all have the same problem.
Packing and hauling your gear takes too much time, space, and energy. You'd rather have more freedom to play outside. Or out on the road. Whatever floats your boat. But you can't, because you're still getting ready. If only you can magically combine all the best parts of a gear case, a utility tote, a backpack, and a duffel bag into one glorious vessel. But that's not possible. Except it is. Meet RUX, the only all-in-one, weatherproof and durable, ready when you need it, shape-shifting solution to stow, move, carry, or use your most valuable gear. Garage to beach, truck to trailhead, ready when you need it. Lights. We all know these people. Trina can't change on top of her backpack, and Tony never has enough hands. Andre is scrambling for ski gear. It's all time out there, and he's blowing. And Jamie's trying to... Dad! Dear God. We need to RUX things up a bit. Look at Tony and Trina now, just oozing with flow. And Andre's so dialed, he's trenching through POW. His buddies haven't even had breakfast. Damn. Let's break it down. RUX does what? RUX packs like a box for super fast and easy access, max volume, and organized gear. RUX carries like a bag. Tote style, market style, over the shoulder, side handle, or even backpack mode in a pinch when you need more hands. RUX transports like a boss. Pack it, lash it, move it. And RUX stores like a case, but way better. A clear window to see contents, compressible when you need it, and gone when you don't. Of course, none of this would work without a lifetime of visualizing and almost 2 years of prototyping and testing design and materials. The bag is ultra durable, weatherproof, and hose washable. The lid secures your gear, folds for quick access, and doubles as a seat pad or changing mat. The straps are simple, adjustable, and bomber. And the tactical-inspired utility rails add infinite versatility. Quick release your straps, take pockets with you, or attach slat wall hooks to your garage. The potential here is huge. RUX is built to last a lifetime outdoors, backed with a lifetime warranty. All those components come apart for field repair, efficient servicing, and sustainable material recycling. Cool, right? We're almost production ready, but we won't stop refining it, so expect changes when your final RUX arrives. It's our first RUX, but not our first rodeo. Tony and Trina have been designing premium climbing gear for decades, and Andre's startup experience will take RUX to Mars. And Jamie, damn, we forgot to give Jamie a RUX. There you go, big guy. Keep your gear tight and your plans loose. Make space with RUX. Back us on Indiegogo today.